exponential equation today. What today? आज के गर्छौं हामी? We'll define exponential equation. Next, we'll identify exponential equation. Exponential equation हो कि हैन भनेर बुझ्छौं, चिन्छौं. Rules of exponential equation. Exponential equation solve गर्दाखेरिको रुलहरु र solve simple exponential equation. हामी solve गरेर हेर्छौं त्यही exponential equation हरु. Okay, exponential equation. Exponential equation भनेको के हो त? Let's see. So let's see some equations. X to the power x plus 1 equals to 4. X plus 1 whole square equals to 4. A to the power 2x minus 1 equals to a to the power 3, a cube. Okay. 2x power a equals to 3. Okay. यसमध्ये exponential equation कुन हो भनेर बुझौं ल. Which are the exponential equations? Anyone can speak. यसमध्ये exponential equation कुन कुन हो? Bhumi, can you say which are the exponential equations, which are not?
X plus 1.
Exponential equation. First, second, third, fourth, only you say. First, second, third, fourth. Among first, second, third, fourth, which are the exponential equations?
Second.
Second is exponential equation. Any other?
Third one.
Yes, Sanket, which you said?
Third.
बुझिन है अलि क्लियर आवाज आएन त्यो फेरि.
Third को सर third को.
Third को चाहिँ exponential equation हो, right? Okay. Any other? Anup?
Sir, first, second, third.
First, second, third are the exponential.
Second and third.
Second and third are the exponential equation.
First and third.
First and third. Who said first and third? Drishti?
Sir, me.
Okay. First and third. Okay. Any other alternatives or any other idea? Palpasa, what do you think?
Sir, first, second, and third.
First, second, and third. Okay. And we'll try next. Jugal, can you try? Which are the exponential equations?
Second or third, I think.
Second and third, you guess. Okay. Dhirani? Dhirani?
Yes, sir.
Which do you think the exponential equations are?
First, second, and fourth.
First, second, and fourth. Okay, why do you think first, second, and fourth are the exponential equations?
Because in third there is no like to four about first, second, and third मा त 3, 4, 4 वाला टाइप छ नि. अनि थर्ड मा त अनि बेस नै छैन, पावर मात्रै छ.
Third मा बेस छैन र, बेस is A.
I mean like number छैन नि त.
So you think which is the which are the equations, exponential equations? First, second, and fourth?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Okay. I may be wrong too. It's my.
Yeah, like, it's your opinion. I was asking for your opinion. Okay. Okay, Ayushma, can you say?
First, second, and third.
First, second, and third. Any idea why you choose this? केही आइडिया छ किन तिमीले चुज गर्यौ? त्यही नै एक्सपोनेन्शियल इक्वेसन हुन् भनेर? No idea. Okay, Drishti,
Yes, sir.
why you said that this, first and third are exponential equation, remaining why not?
Sir, because first and third in both sides the base are same.
First, the base is not same.
So then it can be done. 2 power 2 equals to 4.
Uh, because of that, you said they are exponential equation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, the choose of Drishti is correct, but reason is not actually exactly correct. First and third are exponential equation. First or third equation are saying exponential equation हुन्. This and this are exponential equation. मैले हिन्टको रूपमा कलर सेम बनाएको थिएँ है, हिन्ट थियो त्यो कलर सेम हुनु भनेको एक किसिमको हिन्ट थियो, किनभने here see the power, हामीले एक्सपोनेन्ट भनेको त पढेको नि. what is mean by exponent? You can see exponent mean
Power.
yes power. So power हेर्नु पर्यो पर्छ नि त हामीले. एक्सपोनेन्शियल इक्वेसन भन्ने बित्तिकै त्यहाँ पावरको कुरा हुन सक्छ नि त. सो पावरमा हेर त, here power is x plus 1, here power is 2, here power is 2x plus 1 minus 1, here it is 3, here it is a. Okay, see in equation number 1 and 3 powers are x. Here in power there is x, or variable are in power. Okay, variables are in power. Power मा छ variables हो, अरुमा हेर त variable कहाँ छ, variable base को रूपमा छ यहाँ त्यो दुईटामा हो, x base मा छ. This a is not actually a variable. a लाई हामी variable को रूपमा लिँदैन, त्यो हामीलाई थाहा छ हैन. They are considered to be constant. a लाई हामी constant को रूपमा लिन्छ है. So see, powers are variable here and here. So if the powers are variable, or if the variable are occurred in power, such type of equation is called exponential equation. Now clear what is exponential equation? दृष्टिले सेलेक्ट गरेको ठिक थियो. किन ठिक थियो? किनकि 1 र 2 मा पावरमा के छ, भेरिएबल पावरमा छ. भेरिएबल कहाँ देखा परेको छ, पावरमा देखा परेको छ. So variables are in power, or powers are in variable. Okay, in terms of variable. So such type of equations are called exponential equation. Let's define it. The equation in which the variables are in power or exponent. The equation in which variables are in power or exponent. Variable कहाँ छ, power या त exponent मा छ भने त्यसको इक्वेसनलाई exponential equation भनिन्छ. Or we can define it another way also. The equation with variable power or exponent is called exponential equation. Now it is clear what is exponential equation? Are you clear about exponential equation? What is exponential equation? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, confusion
Yes,
छ
sir.
भने सोध्नु है अझै. Okay, 1 and 3 is are exponential equation. 2 and 4 is not exponential equation. Reason भनिसकेको छु, किनभने यहाँनिर पावर के छ, यहाँ power 2 छ, which is not variable. Similarly here a is power and a is not considered to be variable. A is the constant. Okay, alphabetical constant we say that. Okay, so this is all about exponential equation. Now let's go to next topic. Rules of exponential equation. Rules of exponential equation. We have two rules of exponential equation. One is if a to the power x equals to a to the power y, then x equals to y. Understand this condition? if a to the power x equals to a to the power y, then x equals to y. That is if the base of the both side of equation are same, then the powers are equal. है यो इक्वेसन हो, इक्वेसनको बोथ साइडमा सेम बेस छ, सेम बेस छन् भने पावरहरू डिफरेन्ट छ भने दोज पावर्स शुड बी इक्वल. Okay, eventually they should be same or equal. Okay, this is first rule. A power x equals to a power y. If then it should be x equals to y. Okay, if the base of both side of the equation, main कुरा बुझ्नु भने base है, base of both side of equation should be same, then the power should be equal. Okay, next is if x power a equals to y power a, then x equals to y. Here also what is the same? Powers are same, base are different. In an equation, if base are different with same powers on both sides, then base should be equal. If the powers of different bases on the both side of the equation are same, then the base are equal. Okay, यो के हो खास कुरा बुझ्ने पनि यो कि पावर अफ डिफरेन्ट बेस आर सेम है, सेम छ भने बेस इक्वल हुन्छन्. ओके, सो दिज आर द रुल्स. यही रुलहरू, यो दुईटा रुल को साथ साथमा लज अफ इन्डिसेस को सबै लजहरू युज गर्नुपर्छ. लेट्स रिवाइज द लज अफ इन्डिसेस. यो दुईटा त चाहियो है, यो दुईटा अवस्था, यो दुईटा भन्दा नि फर्स्ट केस चाहिँ बढी युज गर्छौं. वी विल युज दिस वान केस मोर. ओके, अलोङ विथ द लज अफ इन्डिसेस. लज अफ इन्डिसेस को सबै लजहरू पनि चाहिन्छ. विदाउट लज अफ इन्डिसेस एक्सपोनेन्शियल इक्वेसन क्यान नट बी सल्भड. लेट्स सी द लज अफ इन्डिसेस. Product law, we know this. X power m into x power n equals to x power m plus n. I am not describing in detail this because it is just revision. Quotient law, x power m divided by x power n equals to x power m minus n when m is greater than n, and it is equals to 1 by x power n minus m when m is less than n. Next is power law of indices. X power m whole power n equals to x power mn. Law of zero index, x power 0 equals to 1. Law of negative index, x power minus n equals to 1 by x power n. Root law of indices, nth power x power m, nth root x power m equals to x power m by n. Power of multiples, multiple को common power छ भने we put the power differently, separately. Power of quotient, a by b whole power m equals to a power m by b power n. So these are the laws of indices. यो सबै लज अफ इन्डिसेस र दुईटा रुल, एक्सपोनेन्शियल इक्वेसन को दुईटा रुल मध्ये फर्स्ट रुल नर्मली हामी लगाउने भने फर्स्ट रुल हो. त्यति लगाएपछि हामी एक्सपोनेन्शियल इक्वेसन का क्वेशनहरु गर्न सक्ने छौं. ओके, लेट्स सी सम examples. Okay, let's see first example. 2 to the power x plus 1 equals to 4. What type of question is this? We should understand that. कस्तो खालको क्वेशन हो यो पहिला बुझ्नु. यो कस्तो खालको क्वेशन त बोथ साइडमा सिंगल टर्म छन्. बोथ साइडमा के छ? सिंगल टर्म छन्. सिंगल टर्म छन् भने बेस हामी हेर्छौं. पावर त एक्सपोनेन्शियल इक्वेसन भइहाल्यो. पावरमा कन्स्टेन्ट भेरिएबल त पावरमा छँदै छन्. we check the base whether the base are same or not on both sides. If not, we make the base same like this. 2 to the power x plus 1 same, 4 is 2 power 2. So here what we do is we make the base same. Here base is 2, here also base is 2. So according to rule of exponential equation, a power x equals to a power y, then x equals to y भने जस्तै यहाँ बेस सेम भयो भने पावरहरु इक्वल हुनु पर्यो. So power should be equal power is x plus 1 here and here is 2. X plus 1 equals to 2. So x equals to 2 minus 1, that is x equals to 1. This is the answer. Understand this? This is the type of question where the terms are single on both sides. Both side में single term छ. Single term भएको अवस्थामा के गर्छ हामी बेसलाई सेम बनाउँछौँ. यहाँ 2 बेस छ भने यहाँ 4 छ भने 4 लाई 2 बेसमा लान सकिन्छ. We converted into base 2 square. Okay. Then base becomes same. When the base are same, power should be equal. That is x plus 1 equals to 2. X plus 1 equals to 2, and then we can easily find out the value of x. Okay. Similarly, let's see next question. 3 power x plus 1 plus 3 power x equals to 12. Okay. यो खालको क्वेशन छ भने यहाँनिर दुईटा टर्म छन्. दुईटा टर्म तीनटा टर्म पनि हुन सक्छ. जतिवटा टर्म छन् एउटा टर्म भन्दा बढी छ भने के गर्ने त? यता पनि दुईटा टर्म तीनटा टर्म हुन सक्छ. जे जस्तो जतिवटा टर्म भए पनि हामीले के गर्छौं यिनीहरुलाई सिंगल टर्ममा पहिला कन्भर्ट गर्छौं. हाउ टु कन्भर्ट इन्टु सिंगल टर्म? वी फर्स्ट युज प्रोडक्ट ल अर क्वोशन्ट ल इन द पावर्स. पावर प्लस मा छ भने क्वोशन्ट रुल, प्रोडक्ट रुल. पावर माइनस मा छ भने क्वोशन्ट रुल लगाउँछौं. एन्ड देन वी टेक कमन लिएपछि फ्याक्टराइज गरे जस्तो कमन लिएपछि सिंगल टर्म भयो. सिंगल टर्म पछि हामी सिम्प्लिफाई गर्छौं. हाउ डु वी डु इज हियर सी यहाँ x plus 1 छ, यसलाई टुक्रायौं 3 power x into 3 power 1. 3 power 1 लाई 1 लेखिन मैले यहाँ 3 power 1 plus 3 power x same and equals to 12 is same. Then we take common here. 3 power x is common. 3 power x, 3 plus 1 is left, and we on simplifying we get 3 power x equals into 4 equals to 12. Then 3 power x equals to 12 by 4. That is 3 power x equals to 3. 3 is 3 power 1. So here base becomes same. 3 is the base on both sides, and power here is x and here is 1. So x equals to 1 is the answer. So this is the second type of question where the terms are not single term छैनन् है. Single term हुने नहुने कसरी थाहा पाउने? If the signs are plus or minus in between, then we say there are number of terms, not single term. Okay. In that case, we break the powers, take the common, simplify, and we get the same base, convert into same base, and we equate the powers. So this is second type. Let's see the third type. This is third type of question. Here we see three different bases. Three different bases. Here it is 3, here it is 5, and here it is 405. So in this case, here it is multiplied form. Okay, multiple form ma cha, and we can say that there are single term here. The single term multiplied form ma cha bhane yo single term ho, yo pani single term ho. Though they are single term on both sides ma single term bhaye pani, we cannot directly change the base into same base. 3 लाई 5 को टर्म मा या 5 लाई 3 को टर्म मा हामी चेन्ज गर्न सक्दैनौं. Okay, for this case the easy method I think is to take right side into left side. Right side like left side ma लाने. How? By dividing, not by subtracting or adding. है, subtracting र add गरेर left side मा लाने हैन, divide गरेर लाने. Like this. 3 power x plus 2 is same into is same, and 5 power x minus 1 is same, and 405 is taken down. Okay, dividing on both side by 405. RHS मा जे छ त्यसलाई both side मा त्यसले divide गरिदिने, so that we get RHS to be 1. RHS लाई 1 मा convert गर्ने. किन 1 मा convert गर्यो भने जे right side मा left side मा जे बेस आयो त्यसको त्यही बेस लिएर पावर 0 गर्यो भने त 1 रिजल्ट आउँछ. त्यसको लागि हामीलाई सजिलोको लागि मैले के गरे, राइट साइडलाई 1 बनाए. देन आफ्टर वी फ्याक्टराइज द डिनोमिनेटरलाई फ्याक्टरमा कन्भर्ट गर्छौं. 3 power x plus 2 into 5 power x minus 1, न्युमरेटर इज सेम बट डिनोमिनेटर इज एक्सप्रेस इन द फर्म अफ फ्याक्टर्स, प्राइम फ्याक्टर्स है. प्राइम फ्याक्टरमा लाग्दा सजिलो हुन्छ. सो 405 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. So how many 3 are here? 4 3s are here and 1 5 is there. So now using quotient rule for 3 base 3 and quotient rule for base 5 separately. Quotient rule use गर्ने 5 3 base लाई र 5 base लाई separately है. So 3x plus 2 is same here. 3x plus 2 minus 4 is how many 3 are here? 4 3s are here. 1 2 3 4s are here. So when we take it off, the powers is subtracted. So similarly in case of 5 power x minus 1, here 5 is here. When we take it off, it will become minus 1. So equals to 1 is equals to 1 same. Then 3 power x minus 2, 5 power x minus 2. So after at the end, we see that the power of two bases is same now. लास्टमा यो हुन्छ नै हुन्छ, आउँछ नै आउँछ, यसरी गरिदिएपछि है पावर सेम आयो. x minus 5 x minus 2 x minus 2, 3 को पनि पावर x minus 2, 5 को पनि पावर x minus 2. यसरी कमन पावर आउँछ. कमन पावर आएपछि हामी पावर अफ मल्टिपल्स रुल लगाउँछौँ. पावर अफ मल्टिपलले के भन्छ, छुट्टा छुट्टै पावर छ भने मल्टिप्लाई गरेर कमन पावर राख्न मिल्छ. सो दिस इज 3 into 5 power x minus 1, 3 into 5 power x minus 2, sorry x minus 2. अब 1 भनेको ठाउँमा यहाँ बेस के आयो, at left side we get the base 3 into 5. So we put same base here, 3 into 5, and result should be 1, so we put power 0. Power 0 राखेपछि result 1 आइहाल्छ. Now we get the base on both side to be same. Both side को base same पायौं. So base same भएपछि power equal गर्छौं हामी, power equal हुन्छ, power equal गर्छौं. We get x minus 2 equals to 0, that is x equals to 2. So in this way we can solve the exponential equation. So these are the simple exponential equations. We can easily solve these. Okay. So let's do some questions now. Okay, so 5 questions are displayed on your screen. So let's do these 5 questions now. Take a screenshot or copy the questions so that I will stop sharing.